Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today, mag-mask tayo. Mask is a must. So, try natin to guys kasi wala daw to ng stress. So, subukan natin to guys. Garnier Skin Active Hydra Balm Tissue Mask. Iba din yung mask na naka-mask na ganun. Ito ay mask. Ultra hydrating and rebalancing. It's a green tea hyaluronic acid. So, how to use it? So first is unfold the mask gently, apply on clean face with a blue protective film visible on the outside. So let's try.
Sobrang wet. Sobrang wet. The blue part is the one that's visible outside.
Blue visible outside.
So yan na siya guys. I'll show your face. Remove the blue protective film. Listen.
Leave it for 15 minutes. Timer start now. Ready siya pantay. Foxy? Fox! Fox! Hoy! Ang lakas-lakas ng ulan, guys. Yan si Foxy. Hello, Foxy. Ah! What you want? What you want? Hey! Hey! Wah! Mana ka ay? Foxy. Ay, pagtilap-tilap. Uy, kay... Kung ano ba ni? A little cutie dog. Secret of having glowing skin daw, guys. Avoid eating sugar. Be hydrated. Mugwapa kay kana. O 7 hours sleep. So, it's after 15 minutes na, guys. Kakunin na natin. Mugwapa ka kanin, no? Charang, charang.
After guys, mag-continue natin dito. May cellar garden. Sure, hindi tayo mamata nito, no? So, wala siya. Hindi siya madumi. Okay. So, saan dyan? Di man ito siya makuha. Kili-kili power. Hawag sa kabila kasi and then, night cream. Na-relax yung skin. Para bumata ako ng 1 taon. Naging 29 na ako. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to take notifications.
My husband doing
You look like old lady.
What's what happened?
You look like old lady.
Okay, girls, here's the commands to go.
What are you doing laughing? Not out.
So tickled, darling.
That's not out.
Come in. Righto?
My old lady's feet.
Old ladies' feet.
Now say, go
They're
ready.
all old ladies' feet. All old. Out feet. Look after your feet.
It's young, but it's
They're not, these ones are old. Not to the same age as the person up here.
Old lady's food. I need to looking after.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do.
Slowly.
I think me not being as confident as the others.
Exfoliating.
That's where my insecurities
Feel my foot.
fall.
Feel mine. I've done mine like, oh, isn't it nice? Feel my feet. They're all soft. Look at that. Like a baby's bum.
Australian food.
No, that's
This
what I
is
do.
Filipinos food.
Oh.
And
What's
would
this?
be ideally suited to a farm.
Old ladies.
What lady's food? I can have a food spa. Is this a food spa?
Like a foot spa.
Something on her mind.
Not having the one-on-one time with Andrew,
Because I know that there is such
in
strong connections.
Lick mummy's feet.
and I feel like
Lick
your
mummy's
mind's kind of already made up in a way.
feet.
Why you do that to my feet for?
Like if
Hey,
you did
can
right
make
now
it.
have to send someone home,
Make it soft.
would that be me?
Not like old ladies' feet.
I guess honestly, it probably would be.
Because they're old and wrinkly. Look, these are rough. And you put them on me, and I get it. I copper all that roughness.
Yeah, it's all good.
When I come to bed, you throw your feet on
Yeah,
me.
I think
I think you need water, darling, to make it soft.
No, I don't need water.
Yeah,
Just need to do this,
feeling about, you know,
and then some
not
cream.
wanting to be here, then I understand.
And that's how you get lovely feet.
Katie isn't moved on the girl, but
I don't need to
I
go
guess I
to.
didn't get to know Katie as much because maybe I didn't think there was a connection there, or if I could have seen her living this life, you know, I'm not there to hurt her, I didn't mean to hurt her, and I hope I didn't, but just got to follow my gut and follow my heart.
And we're doing that, guys.
I
We're
wish
gonna
I
drink
did kind of
something.
hear him say like don't leave or like that he wanted me here, but I felt like he knew who he wanted in the end. All good.
Yeah.
She's not gonna go.
I don't think she's staying. Oh, they don't know about the other girl yet. You know?
It's getting warm.
Gear up for Mike's Truckin' Good Tuesday. 3 epic big rig shows on the biggest truck on the week. It's gonna be great trucking
Do it again, the other one.
Good Tuesdays.
Yeah, but this one's still got rough.
We all want to get well sooner from a
This is a very old lady.
to the things
Look,
we
this
love
one.
with Blackmores Bio 31,000
Very old lady out. We can tell, darling, you scratch all the
Yeah, got to. Scratch all the old stuff off.
lapa.
You get rid of all the lapa lapa.
Lapa.
severity and duration of common cold symptoms.
That's lapa.
What's that mean?
This one here, the English of it.
Oh.
The Bisaya. Lapa.
Lapa lapa.
The one that
What they call this?
kumagko.
Kamako. Kamako. It sounds like a lizard. Kamako.
Why you didn't put the wet water?
No, you don't put water.
Fitness my way.
Yeah. I'm polishing it. I'm not polishing it.
A range of
I'm getting rid of dead skin.
and inspiring new display homes to experience. You can discover it.
See, now it's getting all soft.
McDonald's Jones. Find your
It's so little. Bend your foot.
Suzuki's are some of the best value cars in the country. So if you're looking and don't consider
You're my
Suzuki,
manicurist.
then you're a fool.
No, just
A
anyhow.
foolish fool.
Huh?
Only because you scratch me with them over night time.
Suzuki.
If you did, I didn't put it out.
Then I wouldn't do it.
So darling. I thought you did that for me because you love me.
stylish solutions to maximize
That
space
too.
in your home or office.
Well,
Visit our
shit.
extensive showroom in
Well,
Cumberland.
I want to look after these hard-working feet. Then they won't work hard then. If I look after them, they'll work harder. Huh? Isn't that what you say? Isn't that what you say? They work hard.
Available now. Warrigal Blinds is a strong, secure local company with an enviable reputation, manufacturing in Illawarra for more than 34 years. Others may sell blinds and security doors, but we actually make them.
Look at that,
Call
soft.
Warrigal today for a free
I wanna
measuring
feel
quote.
it.
Feel it.
A lot of people have
Big difference,
sensitive
huh?
teeth, but gum
No,
health is
no, it's still
really
the same.
No, this one's all. No, this one. But this one, feel this one.
Sensitivity. It
It's
also
soft.
maintains
Now feel
gum
this
health.
one.
Two benefits, 1, 2, 3.
I think
Wrinkly.
there's no much difference.
There is. There's a bit of difference. Good.
I can't even believe this was me.
Too many
I
wrinkles.
lost 34 kilos thanks to the lady shape. It's not just the weight you lose,
Oh,
it's the energy
tickles.
you gain. I have
It's not meant to hurt.
confidence now, which makes me a
Tickles.
better mum.
Save 25% off at theladyshape.com.
Tickles.
Now's the time to join Grouper. Before life happens. It's good.
You got big arch.
And you can
Why?
I've got flat foot.
Huh?
I've got flat foot. You got a big arch.
Why? A big heart?
Arch.
Arch?
Yeah, you got a big arch on your foot.
What's that mean?
That means only this bit and this bit touches the ground.
Like that?
Yeah,
So meaning?
because you got an arch here. Well, I don't. My foot are flat. See, I got no arch.
Why is that?
See that? I got no arch in the middle. Yeah. Flat foot. I think the accident made me flat foot.
The video dah lukus paksis dah.
Let's know him more. Yeah, I was really liking your son. You're gonna find someone else same as you, so no, and it's hard to find.
Meeting Matt was really lovely. He's really nice. Matt's very attractive. He's definitely what I thought he would be. Yeah, I don't see why I could potentially find one with Matt.
Coming up, ladies are anxious. Just calm your nerves. As the fathers make new connections.
She seems like she's got a heart of gold. You are quite wonderful.
You right now?
Will bring mum's choice home.
I guess you've got to be a little bit selfish in this situation.
Oh, what's it? Where is she?
About that.
We got another girl.
In 11 days.
Putting lotion, guys. He's looking after my foot. Thank you, Hubby, for looking after my
I'm
foot.
such a bad husband. Such a mean husband.
Sometimes that one replace that one the black spot. What's that?
It's a, I don't know.
Pag lumingon ka, akin ka.
Final two farmers to reveal their decision are Sam, who had a great date with Chelsea, and Andrew, who hit it off